In this video, we're going to color our two cells, the organelles the same color. So we're going to start with the yellow. The yellow is going to be for the cytoplasm. So we're going to find that both in the plant and animal cell, and it's the jelly, the stuff that goes around all the organelles. So in your picture, you're going to color all around each of the organelles this yellow color. Okay, and I'm gonna do mine pretty quickly. This shouldn't take you a lot of time, but you should spend a little bit more time than what I do because I'm not finished, and you'll continue to color around each one of these. So I'm just gonna kind of outline what it's gonna kind of look like. Okay, if you make a little bit of a mistake, it's okay. And then down here in the animal cell, it's all of this. So I'm gonna kind of quickly sketch it in, and you can finish coloring on your own. Okay, and it really doesn't make a big difference if you color everything, because we will go back and color with a darker color, so you can always make it darker. So that was the cytoplasm, and the mitochondria and mitochondrion, we're gonna color red. Remember, those are our powerhouses. So a power color I think of is red. Remember, they're the ones that look like they have like the maze inside of them. And then for the animal cell, these are the ones I'm gonna color. So make sure you color each and every one of them the red color. Again, I'm going to proceed on, but go ahead and make sure you color all of them. The next one we're gonna color is our bag, the storage bag, the vacuole, and I'll start on the animal cell this time. We're gonna color it blue because it holds the water. So, oh, I'm sorry, I colored the wrong one there. Don't color that one, that's wrong. So these little dots right here, color those. And here, we'll make sure I go to the right one. Remember, in the plant cell, it has a large central vacuole. So go ahead and color that whole thing, and that's what you're doing there. Again, do not make the mistake that I made. That is not the vacuole. Okay, the other part we're gonna use like a purple, violets, blue, purple color. We're gonna color the nucleus, and that's the outside, this purple color. Okay. You're gonna do the same thing up here. This one looks a little bit different. It's this outside. And actually, it's this part, it's just not the very middle. That's a different organelle that you'll learn about in biology. Okay. The brown, we're gonna use the brown to do the cell membrane. So for this one, we're just going to outline it. You're just going to trace it all the way around with the brown color. It doesn't need to be perfect because you want to see the brown color and think of the fence gates. It's the thing that lets things in and out. So it doesn't have to be exactly perfect because you want to be able to see the brown color. Okay, we're here. Remember, our cell membrane is inside of our wall, so it's this line that goes around. And that is all that we're gonna color for the animal cell. The plant cell, we still have to use the green. So find a green. And we're gonna color in the chloroplast. Remember, and so the chloroplast are these little ones with the dots on them. So you're gonna color those all green. Remember, they're the green kitchen. That's where the plants do photosynthesis. That's where the chlorophyll is. That's the green stuff that they have. Okay, so make sure you color each of those green. I'm just gonna put lines in them so you know which ones to kind of look for. And then the cell wall, we're gonna color that orange. So around the whole plant cell, you're gonna color it orange. And now that I look back, I see you're just gonna keep coloring this all orange, all the way up here. I see that this part right here probably should be, this looks like it's part of the vacuole. And then some of this is showing me the cell wall. So if you didn't color, oh, that should be orange. This should be orange. Again, if you make a mistake like I did, it's not a super big deal. You can kind of color over it, but make sure you color this whole cell wall, goes all the way around, orange. Okay, so that's all the organelles we're gonna color. Let me double check. Yep, we are done. So go ahead and finish coloring your cells. Remember, it does not have to be something that takes a bit of time, but please make sure you complete it more than I did. All right, thanks.